Hey lovely peeps, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So as the title says, I'm pretty much challenging myself on like spending £5 to eat in one day. So I'm doing like a challenge series, which is 4-part. This is part 1. So yeah, the next part is basically how I'm going to furnish a whole house for free. So also stay tuned for that when it comes out. Okay, so yeah, in this one I'm pretty much gonna try and spend £5 to eat breakfast, lunch and dinner. Before we start, what I'm going to do is actually split up the £5 and see how much per meal that's going to cost me. I'm trying to do like 5 divided by 3 because there's 3 meals: breakfast, lunch and dinner. So 5 divided by 3 is 1.66666667. So basically £1.66, £1.67, 65. Okay, cool. I don't know if I'm going to get protein in this meals, but I'm going to try my best. I don't even know if it's going to be a thing where I'm like buying ready-made meals or I'm like actually making meals from scratch. So yeah, come along with me and let's see how I do with this challenge. Let me know if this challenge is a pass or fail. Let me know what you think in the comments, and also don't forget to give this a thumbs up so that it reaches more people, and also join the family and subscribe, you know, why not? So yeah, let's go out. Okay, so I'm back from the shops now. I ended up going to Lidl because I thought that I was gonna get like croissants and all of that stuff, but the bakery section, because it's like so late in the day now, the bakery section was pretty much done and there was nothing there. So I had a look around, and remember guys, like I said, I'm trying to add weight or maintain my weight. I'm not trying to lose weight. So the aim is not to starve myself. The aim is to actually get foods that actually fill me up and are actually healthy, not just junk and rubbish that I shouldn't be eating. So I ended up buying a banana, pancake and a drink, which is like a protein drink, which is perfect. And I only spent £1.53, so that's within my £1.66 aim for breakfast, lunch and dinner. So I think I'm on the right track. I'm going to add the change from this to the rest, that way I have a little bit more to spend. So yeah, so this is the receipt, just to show you guys that really and truly, obviously I think the banana, buying a single banana, single drink, pancake, like it's just a perfect simple breakfast, something that you can eat quickly on the go kind of thing as well. So that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna chill, and then when it's lunchtime I'll bring you guys with me again, and I might be going to Morrisons for lunch. Let's see, possibly. I'm really gonna try my best to make food from scratch, just so I can show you guys that is possible. Obviously you can easily get a meal deal or like a ready-made meal or whatever, but let's try it from scratch and see how I get on. Right there, and I'm watching Netflix. I actually like it dry. Does anybody else like it dry? Sometimes I put chocolate on it, but you know what, no, today's the day of challenging myself to eat only what I buy with the £5. Okay, so I've got my coat on and I'm going out to the shops. I think I'm gonna get lunch and dinner now, so that I don't have to keep going back out to get food. So I'm thinking maybe I mean it might not be this, but I'm thinking maybe pasta for lunch, maybe pizza for dinner, possibly. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So yeah, let's see what I actually find and what I'm actually able to pick up. I would like to get to know. Okay, so I'm back from the shops now. I'm gonna do some calculations, but yeah, I literally saw like a range of stuff, and because it's like evening now, so basically the time now is 10 to 5 p.m. in the afternoon. So there were like quite a few things on like sales and clearance and things like that. So honestly, like now would be a really good time to get things discounted, and to see what's for like much cheap at this time. So yeah, I feel like I had quite a bit of money left, and so I was looking around thinking, should I get juice, should I get dessert or pudding or of some sort. Then I was like, nah, let me just get a simple drink. So basically it's looking like lunch is gonna be pasta, tuna mix of some sort, and then dinner will be my pizza and garlic bread with the drink. So yeah, I'm thinking it is gonna be nice, but as you can see from the video, like I will see cheaper stuff but I won't pick it. For example, I saw cheaper pizza, didn't pick it because I thought it might not taste nice, and the same thing with like the tomato sauce for the pasta. Like I could have picked the cheaper one and saved more money, which is something you can do if you don't care about taste. And I'm going to use seasoning that I have at home to try and spice it and spruce it up and stuff. But yeah, I'm just showing you that literally this is the £5, and honestly it could have been done with less, because as you can see, the items, especially saver items, are so much less. But yeah, let me do the calculations and get back to you. Okay guys, so I've done the calculations and now I'm back and you won't believe the results. Okay, so for breakfast I spent £1.53. For lunch I spent £1.97, and for dinner I spent £1.41, and altogether, drum roll please, altogether it is £4.91. £4.91. I was within budget, and my breakfast, lunch and dinner was like literally filling, healthy. It wasn't like junk, and it was just wholesome, really and truly. So if I did it, you can do it too.
Six and a half hours later.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style.
So yeah, I think I pretty much passed the challenge, and yeah, I did it guys. Dust shoulders. So anyway, let me know in the comment section how I did and what you think I should do next for a challenge, and give this a thumbs up. And remember, this is a 4-part series, so I've got 3 more after this coming up. The next week's one is going to be about how I furnish a whole house for free, so make sure you stay tuned for that as well. Feel free to subscribe and join the fam, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that as soon as I upload you will know. Thank you so much again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.